How can we focus better in Salah when people's children are running wild in the mosque? I was born in the 70s, back in the bring back spankings. So that's interesting because we just talked about spankings and stuff, and I'm saying like I'm not advocating that at all because yeah, I think that it's a very good question. Like I don't know what exactly the massages are like in Seattle and stuff, but a lot of the massages here, like children are not really in there and stuff. I think that basic things like knowing the meaning of the salah and all this kind of stuff is really helpful. I think following the sunnah of looking at the place of sujood and all these kind of things, I think they all help. But for me personally, this is something I find very difficult. And the reason for that is that I listen to a lot of audiobooks, so my ears are very sensitive. So if I hear a little bit of noise, like it really affects me and stuff. So I think for me, like I would, I was about to say change massages, but I don't know if you can change the massages and stuff. I think maybe like especially I would talk to the people at the masjid and just like make them aware that look, there's this thing, and at prayer times, like I don't mind if they're running around the masjid the whole time, but at prayer times, we want them to like not do that and like try and keep the peace and stuff. Maybe the sunnah is to pray the sunnahs at home and stuff. So maybe with the Fard Salah, it's kind of peaceful there and stuff. So I pray that Allah makes it easy for you and